Vox App turns any sign, poster or product into a voice-powered assistant with nothing more than a QR code. The user scans it, taps a single button and starts a natural conversation in over 80 languages. All controlled through a web-based dashboard where you add your training data, design how the application looks, review conversations and see live analytics. It is voice only, no installation or downloads, a simple to deploy and simple to use solution. Let's go to the control panel to configure our application. The first thing we're going to do is go into our application and into the wayfinding section. In here we can add our street map. Let's upload our image. On the image we can mark our starting point. Let's spin that around so we're facing the right direction. And we have a prompt that will generate a set of instructions from our start point to all the points marked on the map. All we need to do then is reference the set of instructions in our prompt. Let's go into some of the other areas whilst this is running. If we go into data, we can add web addresses in here and we can upload PDFs. Let's add our events document. This will be embedded in our database and available to provide information for answers to questions. In design, we can design the look of the application and we can add things like a transcription contact form and contact us page. Then in our main page, we can turn on real-time conversations. This will allow us to have a continuous conversation, just like a human interaction. We can set our prompt in here too, and then grab our QR code to add to our sign. Let's just go back into the wayfinding section and we can see a set of instructions have been generated from our plan. So we have scanned the QR code on our sign and now I will ask for directions. Omnie will pull the information for the answer from our map scan results. I will then ask for a recommendation and this will be pulled from a Google Places integration. And finally, I will ask what is going on in the city today, and this will be pulled from the documents we have linked to our device.
Hello, how can I help?
How do I get to the train station?
Turn right and go over the bridge. Continue up Micklegate to the junction at the top. Turn right and the train station is 2 minutes walk.
Okay, can you recommend an outdoor bar?
Yes, try the Sky Bar at Malmaison. To get there, go over the bridge. Take the first right and continue to the end. Malmaison is on the left.
Okay, sounds good. Can you tell me what's going on in the city today?
There's a food festival in Parliament Square with food and drink from around the world. Head into the town centre and follow signs for Parliament Square.
So let's go back into the control panel and see how we can analyse these conversations. Back in the control panel, we can see a full history of conversations. We can open up individual conversations to review the transcriptions. And we have an analytics board, which is fully customizable. We can see things like conversation trends, languages, and review common questions. In summary, Omnie Vox provides a human-like interaction. Our research shows that people don't like interacting with complex technology. They want simple, human-like conversations. It is multilingual. Talk to Omnie in French, Uzbek or Cantonese and you'll receive a reply in the same language. The information is provided in real time. Omnie can quickly pull data from a large database or connect to a live timetable or booking system. It is simple to set up and deploy. Just download the QR code from the control panel and add to your sign, poster or product. And it provides data-driven insights. All conversations are stored in our history section and we have a dashboard builder that provides you with insights that are not possible with standard traditional signs. The standard package is free forever. Go to omnivox.com/app to sign up.